Hi everyone, welcome back. So today video we're gonna discuss about USB Type C on iPhone 15 and 15 Pro. May have one seems too impossible, but the latest rumors suggest it actually coming sooner than you think. And regular pushback and limitation of Lightning connector, the iPhone 15 and 15 Pro expect to switch to USB Type C this fall. So here is some latest detail on what we know so far. So analyst Ming-Chi Yu first predict in 2019 that Apple could release a portless iPhone as soon as 2021, but that does not come to fruition. It's easy to see why wireless technology simply are not reliable or powerful enough to completely replace a connector like Lightning or USB Type-C. Charging speed are not as fast, data transfer is slow and unreliable, and consumer adaptation is just not yet there. A portless iPhone is still in the work and something being internally testing at Apple, but we could not expect to see its launch to the public this year or next year. Now coming to the USB Type-C, several report has said that Apple is looking into way it could be still retain some amount of control over the iPhone accessories ecosystem. One of the reports suggests the iPhone 15 USB Type-C port could have certain feature limited to Apple certified cable. In March, the reliable Apple analyst Ming-Chi Yu report that the switch into USB Type-C will enable faster charging speed through iPhone 15. These faster charging speed, however, will be reportedly limited to USB Type-C cable certified by Apple. Currently, iPhone 14 and iPhone 14 Pro support 220 watt of maximum charging speed, while Pro models support up to 27 watt. So overall, the Apple is expected to release the iPhone 15 with USB Type-C later this fall. As of right now, Apple release plans seem to be on schedule. iPhone 15 and 15 Pro lineup are expected to announce and release in September. So that's it. If you like this video, hit the like button now in the comment section. Take care and goodbye.